The future of business is electric, and BGS is helping you stay ahead. Introducing the GoE Charger, the smart EV charging solution designed for businesses that demand efficiency without compromise. With fast charging capabilities, you can power your fleet quickly and keep operations running without delay. It seamlessly integrates into your existing setup, making installation easy and convenient. And with authorized user access, only approved personnel can charge, ensuring security at all times. Charge your vehicles while maintaining productivity. No disruptions or downtime. As ultra-low emission zones expand across UK cities, businesses must adapt. The GoE Charger helps you reduce your carbon footprint, meet sustainability targets, and comply with government regulations, all while keeping your business moving. At BGS, we don't just install EV chargers, we provide future-proof solutions that support your business. BGS. Powering business, driving sustainability. Inquire today.